Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have everything they want while others struggle to make even the smallest changes in their lives? Do you believe that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality? If so, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be diving deep into the law of assumption, exploring its roots, how it works, and what it can do for you. But first, let me share a story with you. There was a man. Let's call him Jack. Jack was one of the hardest workers you would ever come across, and from the outside, he seemed like a happy guy. But regardless of how hard his physical body worked, the true abundance he craved always felt far away. He found himself always struggling to make ends meet and provide for his family. Though he loved his wife, his love life was stale, and though he thought he was doing everything he could to succeed, it always felt like something was missing. One night, Jack found himself chatting with an older gentleman at his local bar, and after telling the man about his struggles, the man quietly asked him, "Is this what you expected out of life?" Jack thought to himself. When he was a child, he had big dreams of success, genuine happiness, and excitement, but as the years went by, he lost that mindset, and accepted that life wasn't meant to be as fruitful as his younger self convinced him it would be. "Well, yes and no," Jack replied. The old man told Jack that everything in his life was a reflection of his assumptions. If he assumed that life was meant to include struggle, he would continue to struggle. But if he assumed it was meant to be full of ease, he would begin to attract a life full of ease. Jack walked home skeptical, but decided he would give it a try. He started to assume that he was already successful, wealthy, and happy. He knew without a doubt that he would be living in a big house, driving a fancy car, and working a fulfilling career. It didn't take long, and to his surprise, things started to shift. Opportunities began to throw themselves his way, and within 6 months, he found himself making more money than ever. Traveling to new places with his wife and feeling like every day was the honeymoon phase. And feeling a similar passion for life as he did as a child. As Jack continued to practice the law of assumption, even as he continued to surpass his goals, he realized that he had been limiting himself with his old assumptions. He had been stuck in a cycle of expecting the worst when making a simple mindset shift was one of the only things keeping him from achieving his dreams. In time his practice became a habit, and he was able to break into a new reality all because of one choice. Now that you have a better understanding of how the law of assumption works, let's dive deeper into what it actually is. The law of assumption is based on the idea that your assumptions, beliefs, and expectations shape your reality. Whatever you assume to be true about yourself, others, or the world around you, becomes your reality. For example, if you assume that you're not good enough for true love, you'll attract situations and people that reinforce that belief. But if you assume that you're capable, worthy, and deserving of love and success, you'll attract situations and people that help show you exactly how deserving you are. The law of assumption operates on the principle of mental imagery. The images and thoughts that you hold in your mind create a vibrational frequency that attracts similar experiences into your life. This is why it's essential to focus on what you want, rather than the unfavorable things you see in your 3D world. In other words, your thoughts and assumptions act as a magnet, attracting experiences and people into your life that align with your vibrational frequency. If you want to change your reality, you must first change your assumptions and beliefs. So, how can you use the law of assumption to manifest your dreams? Here are some steps to get started. 1. Identify your limiting assumptions. Take a close look at the beliefs and assumptions that are holding you back. What do you assume to be true about yourself, others, or the world around you that's not serving you? Once you've identified these limiting assumptions, it's time to challenge them. 2. Create new assumptions, replace your limiting assumptions with new, positive ones. Assume that you're already successful, wealthy, and happy. Visualize yourself living the life of your dreams and feel the emotions that come with that vision. 3. Take inspired action. The law of assumption is not a magic wand. You still need to take action to bring your vision to life. But the difference is that now, you'll be taking inspired action, action that's aligned with your new assumptions and beliefs. And 4. Stay committed. Manifesting your dreams is a journey, not a destination. It's important to stay committed to your new assumptions and beliefs, even when things get tough. Remember that you're creating a new reality for yourself, and that takes time and effort. In conclusion, the law of assumption is a powerful tool for creating the life you truly desire. By changing your assumptions and beliefs, you can shift your reality and manifest your dreams. Remember that your thoughts and assumptions are the foundation of your reality, so it's important to focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. So, are you ready to start using the law of assumption to manifest your dreams? It's time to challenge your limiting assumptions, create new ones, take inspired action, and stay committed to your vision. Who knows what kind of magic awaits you on this journey? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss tips on how to bring your mind back to a place of positive assumption when you feel it starting to slip.